Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an active AdSense account and two-step verification enabled. Once done, gather the new bank account number, SWIFT or IBAN, and routing codes if required for your country. Make sure the bank supports electronic payments to Google and that you meet the minimum payout threshold to avoid delays. Now sign in to AdSense and go directly to payments. This first step opens the form where you add or edit payment methods. Next, add the new bank. Go to Payments, Manage Payment Methods, and choose Add Payment Method. Enter the account holder name exactly as the bank records it, input IBAN or account and routing numbers, and set the currency correctly. Once saved, select Verify. AdSense sends micro-deposits or offers instant verification via your bank. You must confirm the exact amounts shown or complete the instant flow. This step prevents errors and ensures Google can finally set the newly verified account as your primary payment method to route future earnings there. Do this before the next scheduled payout to avoid fallback to the old account. After you confirm the first successful deposit, you can remove the old bank if preferred. If verification fails, make sure digits, SWIFT/IBAN and country settings match. Check with your bank for incoming ACH or international deposit limits. If problems persist, contact AdSense support and provide the micro-deposit timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.